Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change transmission fluid Toyota Corolla step by step. Begin by parking on a level surface, engaging the parking brake, and lifting the front with a jack and secure jack stands. Wear gloves and safety glasses, locate the drain plug and the fill port, and keep a drain pan ready. Have the correct fluid and tools nearby so each step flows smoothly and safely. After the car is safely lifted, warm the transmission briefly to thin the fluid and make draining easier. Position your drain pan, carefully loosen the drain plug, and let the old fluid flow out completely. Inspect the drained fluid for metal particles that could indicate wear. Clean or replace the drain plug washer as needed before reinstalling the plug to prevent leaks and contamination. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find these tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker I have here. It's great for hands-free instructions while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Once the drain plug is secure, refill through the fill port using a hand pump and the correct fluid type. Add fluid gradually and check the level per the fill procedure until it reaches the specified mark. With the vehicle level, start the engine and shift through gears to let fluid circulate. Recheck the level and inspect for any leaks before lowering the car and completing the job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.